Hope you're having an amazing day. Today I have here the Thinkware dashcam. This is the X800 and this is a quad HD camera, so 1440p front camera, and it does have like super night vision 2.0 and all that. We're gonna go ahead and check out that quality after as well. So for now, let's just go ahead and open up the box and see what we have inside. So we got quite a few things here. So first of all, we have the front camera, the rear camera here. So we also have like an external GPS here. So you're gonna have to hook it up to the camera. It does not have an internal GPS here. And then we do have the power source and also the hardwiring kit as well here. And some extra 3M tape and to hide the cables. So we got some 3M tape here to hide the cables as well. The SD card comes included in this, and we also have the rear cable here as well, and the manual, of course. Once you go ahead and put this on your windshield, we're able to adjust this, so it does move pretty much here, like all the way, and it does have the click sound, so you know like when to stop it. Then you can just like adjust it here, and then it stays in place, which is pretty good. And on the side here, we do have the micro SD card slot and the power as well. And looking at the other side, just really clean here. And at the top, this is where we have pretty much all the inputs here for the GPS, for the rear camera, and all that stuff here. And also they have the DC in as well. Looking at the rear camera here, pretty simple, nothing really special here. And it does adjust, so it will rotate here. You kind of have to like do it a little bit forcefully a little bit, but it does rotate, and it does come with a 3M tape here as well. So right now, let's go ahead and look at some recording we got from this, and you can kind of see the quality for yourself and judge the quality for yourself there as well. Looking at this footage, I did take some footage during the day and the night, and during the day you can definitely see that there's some like compression, and I did set the quality to the max here, but you can still see like the quality isn't that great. Like for a 1440p camera, this looks like more like a 720p if you look at the footage here. When it comes time to like seeing the license plates and signs, anything like that, you have to kind of get a little bit closer to kind of see what's going on. But again, if there's like some sort of like accident happening or anything like that, definitely the footage is still usable, and you're going to be able to see that license plate because the car is going to be closer and all of that. But just looking at like when it comes to these dash cameras like 1440p, 4K, usually the quality doesn't match to the to what they are, like 4K or 1440p. One thing I love about the Thinkware dash cams is the notification you get when it comes to the stoplight cameras, even the speed zone notifications as well. Just looking at that option alone, I think this camera is definitely worth it because you're able to kind of like, it gives you that notification, the speed limit is 50, go 50 here at this zone. That way you're not getting a ticket, so it's kind of preventing you from getting a ticket. So just that feature alone, I think it makes this camera worth it. And usually all the Thinkware cameras do have this option. And the updates for the camera are updated pretty frequently as well, which is nice. And it doesn't cost anything, you just insert like the update on the SD card and it's able to update those cameras, which is good. The other thing which I love about these Thinkware dash cameras is the power usage. Currently I use this on an external battery and it does last at least 2 days, which is good. Because some other dash cameras usually take out like the battery usage is like very bad, but this one the battery is very good because the way I set this up is on a motion sense. So if someone is moving, if there's a car or person moving, then it starts recording, which is good. I'm gonna go ahead and show you some more footage at the end. So if you're interested in seeing some more footage, just skip to the end. So my overall thoughts on this X800 camera. The quality, you saw there for yourself, it's not really the best. But when it comes time to the features this offers, it makes up for that, for the quality kinda, which is good. You're getting the speed warning and all that, which kinda is gonna prevent like a ticket from happening, which it kind of pays off for itself in the long run, which is good. But the like 4K, 2K quality really doesn't match up on these, like any dash camera you're looking out there, really the quality doesn't really match what they're saying. So the features compensate the quality in a way. Really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about this camera, go ahead and leave a comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer it. I'll see you on the next video.